You're a creative entrepreneur, working hard to build your dream business. You're passionate about your work, but you're also constantly juggling a million different things. From invoicing clients to tracking down payments, it can feel like you're spending more time on admin than on the actual work you love. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to streamline your business and make things easier. That's why I'm so excited to share with you today about HoneyBook. What is HoneyBook? HoneyBook is an all-in-one business management platform that helps creative entrepreneurs get organized, streamline their workflow, and get paid faster. It's like having a virtual assistant who can help you with everything from invoicing to proposals to client management. Why choose HoneyBook? There are so many reasons why I love HoneyBook, but here are a few of my favorites. Easy to use. HoneyBook is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. You can get up and running in no time. Time-saving. HoneyBook automates many of the most time-consuming tasks, so you can focus on what you do best. Professional. HoneyBook provides you with beautiful templates and tools that will help you create professional-looking proposals, invoices, and contracts. Affordable. HoneyBook offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. Here are some of the specific features that I love about HoneyBook. Proposals. HoneyBook makes it easy to create beautiful proposals that wow your clients. You can customize the templates to match your brand and style. Contracts. HoneyBook helps you create legally binding contracts that protect you and your clients. Invoicing. HoneyBook makes it easy to create and send invoices to your clients. You can also track payments and see your outstanding invoices at a glance. Client management. HoneyBook helps you keep track of all your client information in one place. You can also send emails, create tasks, and track deadlines. Workflow automation. HoneyBook helps you automate many of your tasks, such as sending emails, creating proposals, and invoicing. Integrations. HoneyBook integrates with a variety of other tools, such as QuickBooks, MailChimp, and Zapier. How to get started with HoneyBook. If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial. You can also check out their website for more information. HoneyBook is an amazing tool that can help you streamline your business and get paid faster. If you're a creative entrepreneur, I highly recommend giving it a try. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, sign up for a free trial of HoneyBook today. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to grow your creative business.